Hello everyone. Welcome to Tail Whale TV. Today, we will look at the first part of the first chapter of accountings. In this chapter, we will get an introduction to what accounting is. So, what is accounting? Accounting is when we use bookkeeping records to prepare a financial statement in order to assist in decision making. But, what is bookkeeping and why is it important? Bookkeeping is the process of detailed recordings of all the financial transactions of a business. It is important for every business to maintain a book, but why? It is very important, as something might be forgotten or overlooked. It can be used to take loans from lenders, or ask investors to invest in their business. So, what is a statement of financial position? A statement of financial position shows the assets and liabilities of a business on a certain date. Assets are anything a business owns, for example, buildings, cash, etc., and liabilities are anything that a business owes to other businesses, or people, for example, loan. Now lastly, what is a financial statement? It is a collective name used for income statements and statement of financial position. An income statement shows that if a business made a profit or loss. So, a financial statement is used to see the assets and liabilities, and also if the business has made a profit or loss. And with that, we're done for today. Thanks for watching. If you had any problems, ask us in the comments below.